Oxygen and its importance. Explore the fundamental role of oxygen in sustaining life, from its critical impact on human health to its prevalence in the atmosphere. Journey through the intricate process of oxygen absorption, its transportation in the bloodstream, and its vital contribution to energy release within the body. Oxygen is the source of life. Its physical properties allow a wide variety of uses, both in its configuration as breathing gas in hospitals, at home, and in isolated places, for biological treatment of aqueous wastes and oxygen reaction in the process industry. The importance of oxygen to human health is critical in the process of excreting toxins from the body, and this is because of the large amount of energy produced from oxygen that our body needs to release toxins. Oxygen is the most powerful and important source of energy production. The way we consume oxygen directly affects our body's functions. Oxygen is the basis of life on Earth. Without it, there would be no life. Water is the most familiar substance, occupying 2/3 of our body volume. It consists of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. When a person inhales air, the oxygen is absorbed into the lungs, binds to the hemoglobin inside the red blood cells, and is carried to all the body's cells. Thus, it connects with the nutrients and chemical processes that release the energy the body needs for its activity. Oxygen is a gaseous, colorless, odorless, marked O. Oxygen is the most common element in the Earth's crust and makes up about 20% of the atmosphere. Oxygen reacts with most elements, and even with noble gases such as xenon. Oxygen is the basis of life on Earth. Life would not be possible without it. The natural process of renewing the amount of oxygen in the air is carried out through photosynthesis, in which plants release oxygen. It is also possible to restore the amount of oxygen in the air by breaking down water into diatomic hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen peroxide. Peroxide hydrogen, commonly known as hydrogen peroxide, is a peroxide, a fragile blue. The colored liquid that appears colorless in a solution is slightly more viscous than water. A hydrogen peroxide molecule consists of 2 oxygen atoms and 2 hydrogen atoms. The chemical formula of hydrogen peroxide is H2O2. Hydrogen peroxide is a powerful oxidizing agent and is a more potent oxidizer than chlorine dioxide, and potassium permanganate. Additionally, with a catalyst, hydrogen peroxide can become a hydroxyl radical, OH, with reactivity, second only to fluorine. Hydrogen peroxide is in processes in the human body, utilizing oxygen to produce energy. Hydrogen peroxide is created as a byproduct. Since it is a strong oxidizer, it can react with almost any organic substance and change its composition. Therefore, hydrogen peroxide must be used in a low concentration so as not to damage the body's cells. The rate of byproducts varies between 0.2% and 4% of the oxygen consumed and processed in the breathing process. Although small, this rate is enough to cause the cell's death. The cell deals with this problem by creating enzymes that neutralize the toxic byproducts of oxygen. The enzyme that breaks down hydrogen peroxide is catalase, which is found in almost all organisms exposed to oxygen. The enzyme breaks down the molecule into water and oxygen, increasing the blood's oxygen level. Hydrogen peroxide is used in the beauty and personal care industry and can be found in many products, including hair dyes, toothpaste, mouthwashes, bathroom cleaners, and laundry stain removers. The oxygen treats all health problems, snoring, breathing problems, dizziness, bleeding, in addition to serious diseases. It is also used for water treatment, swimming pools, and more. m-Illeiyz Pharma Limited is a company pioneering in the field of oxygen and cosmetic products. The company has incorporated oxygen in all its products, such as creams, serums, soaps, hair care kits, and more. In addition, creating the global development of a healthy electronic cigarette. The company is taking the world to a healthier place